Hi, I'm Migs. I'm a new film photographer and I post videos about my film photography journey. So last week, my friend Ace Espiliaga sent me a message that he loaded his Mamiya 645 with ilford XP2 and asked me if I want to do some portrait photos with him. Of course, I said yes because I could get a chance to play with a medium format camera that I don't own yet. So that's a good opportunity for learning again for me. And also I could watch Ace workflow, how he takes pictures. Because Ace has been taking pictures for more than a decade now. I've been taking pictures maybe 6 months, and learning from someone that has more experience is always good. I went over to Ace's place and we decided to take portrait pictures of each other. He would set up a camera, take the pictures, and then hand over the camera to me, and I'll try to mimic his shot. We walk around Ace's place trying to look for a good place to take some pictures. We found an elevated parking lot and decided that we could take some portrait pictures there. You could actually notice the difference in composition between how Ace take pictures and how I take pictures. It's like Ace pictures are more fuller. Ace would consider the background as well as the subject, as for me, I just consider the subject. I also brought my Canon AE1 and I was able to stick in a few portrait pictures as well, just to test out that camera. I'm still practicing how to use that camera and it's kicking my ass. We also tried to do some double exposure. Not all of them turned out great. I think we only got one good shot, and we decided that we could try that again next time. As for the experience using a medium format camera, I do like it a lot. It's different from shooting a 35mm film because number one, it's heavier, so if you're gonna shoot that one, you cannot just decide to carry it one day. You have to really plan out the day taking pictures using that camera. And since it only has 15 shots as compared to the normal 36 shots of a 35mm, you have to be more precise in taking your pictures. That's the end of the video. I hope, like me, you learned something new. If you have any question or comment, just comment away. Again, I'm Mix. Thank you for watching. Till next time, bye!